If you need to reset your Wise password, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the Wise login page. Visit the Wise website and navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your Wise account in a designated field and submit the form to receive a password reset email. Step 4. Check your email. Open your email inbox and look for an email from Wise with instructions on how to reset your password. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it. Step 5. Follow the instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Wise account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for further assistance.